Welcome aboard. Telegram bots are being listed on exchanges and users are preparing to receive airdrop rewards. Telegram bots like Hamster, TabiZoo, and Not AI have started distributing rewards to users. Connect your wallets and claim your rewards. In this video, I will talk about a new Telegram bot. The bot's name is Moonbix. This bot is associated with Binance. Inside the bot, there is a very enjoyable game. In this game, you need to collect rewards as a miner. You must tap the screen at the right time to ensure your hook catches the reward. After you catch the reward and pull it in, you will earn points based on the reward. Watch out for mines. If you accidentally hit a mine, you will lose 20 points. You can play this game every day. Once you use your daily play chance, it will gradually come back over time. If you want to earn bonuses, you can invite your friends. Write your referral link in the comments below this video and invite people. Additionally, you will earn extra points by completing tasks outside the game. Complete these simple tasks and earn points. I hope you can gather high points and secure a good position on the leaderboard. So far, we have encountered many Telegram bots, but this one is particularly important because it's associated with Binance. To activate the bot, you can find my link in the description below the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.